All right, so we're logged into Viralreel, and I'm going to show you how you can create three different kind of videos that are proven to go viral and bring millions in views. Three different kind of entertaining videos. Now they are called the quote videos, the GIF videos, and the viral funny videos. Right now, let's start with the quote video. Now, what a quote video is something that has an amazing background and a motivational code, or an interesting code, right? And using this editor you can create those kind of videos. So when I click on code video option here, you're brought to the screen. You can add your project name over here, and you see a default slide has been created for you, but you can edit it and then click on plus sign over here, this icon, to add a brand new slide. Right now, if I want to edit it, I just click on the refresh button and it'll change the image. Right, let's try something nice. Okay, perfect. Right, I can choose how long I want the slide to be on the video before the next slide shows up. Right, I can choose the code. I can search for more codes. Right, I can change it. I can change the position if I want it over here. I can even edit it if I want to by editing it over here. Then I can change the font color, the background for the font. I can change the opacity. I can increase or decrease the font size if I want to. And if I want to remove the background, I can just remove the background altogether and add a blur effect on the image so the text is more clearly visible. Right, I can choose from tons of fonts that we have here, whatever works the best for you. All right, then we can go to the upload option, where you can actually upload your own background image. Instead of using the ones that we generate automatically, you can upload your own, or you can upload your own background video or a GIF image as well. Right, and you can see all the images that you uploaded. Now we go to library, and you can search again if you want to. If I search for nature, it'll list all these copyright-free images that I can replace this one that has been automatically added. So there are tons of options for choosing backgrounds and tons of codes that have been added automatically, or you can add your own. And you can add as many slides as you want. So this is for 5 seconds. Another one, I can customize this one just the way I did for the first one. I can customize it, change the code, search for new codes, going to display codes from over 600 different codes that we had. So you can keep on switching between them. And then add as many slides as you want, add a variation, and you should be done for the first time. Once you're done, then you move on to the next step, where we're going to add music, logo, and watermark. So right over here, you can upload your own logo that you can add on the slide. You can add a watermark. You can add anywhere on these 4 positions. And this is where you can import the logo or pick a file or image that you have already uploaded to use as a logo. Moving on to the next step is where we can add a background music. Now, you can either add a background music from the ones that we already have, over 1,000 music files, or you can upload your own, or you can use our text-to-speech option to narrate all of these. And you can have text-to-speech for a unique text-to-speech for each slide. So you can have someone speaking this code for you while the slide is running, right? And then when the slide changes, you can have another text-to-speech and have this code read in a different different accent, right? We got tons of accents. We got English Indian, Australian, British, Welsh, Dutch, English US, Danish, tons of language options here, and tons of accents and dialects to pick from, right? Or you can, of course, import your own background music and everything. And then once you're done, all you have to do is just pick the quality, if you want it as a video or a GIF image, and then just click on create video, and your code video will be created immediately. That's all you have to do, right? So that's the first kind of video, right? Jumping onto the GIF video, this is where you can create interesting, funny videos, right? So let's say I want to create, I have a fan page on Instagram. I have an Instagram account about cats, right? And I'm trying to promote a non-profitable charity for abandoned pets animal, right? So I want to create videos around cute cats. We can get people from YouTube to our Instagram account to support our our charity, our cause, and everything, right? So I go here, I give this a name, I pick the title as cats, and let's say I want to create 5 slides, right? I click on next. Of course, you can add more slides later on, but here are 5 cute cat gifs that we automatically fetched for you, right? You can increase the timing for slides. So right now this video is like 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 10, 15, 20, 25, 25-second long, right? You can increase this. You can click on add and add a new slide. A new slide would be added for you. You can click on text. You can add your text, cutest cats ever, right? Or you can write your CTA support these cats at pause.com, or whatever, and you can position them right on top like this. You can select the font, you can customize it a little bit, right? You can have increase the font size if you want to, you can decrease it if you want to, you can add a little blur effect if you want to, but doesn't really need to have a blur effect. Perfect. Moving on, you can upload your own cat images. You can add your own, background image, which can be used as your intro slide, or you can add a video about your charity, which could be like a video clip, or like a logo intro or something, which could be used as an intro slide. And you can do the same on the last slide. You can just replace this image with your outro text or image or video clip or logo outro, whatever, right? So there's plenty of customization option here, or you can just search from my library again. And next steps are similar to what we did during the coach video, right? So you add your logo and watermark, you add your background music and text-to-speech option, which is for each slide. And once you're done, you just click on next and render this as a MP4 video or a GIF, right? This is the second kind of video, the funny GIF video. And then we have something called trending video. Now, trending viral video is where you can create short video clips that are curated together using copyright-free videos that you can, again, share for your audience. Now, these clips are already the ones that are getting tons of engagement, likes, and shares. So these clips are popular. So you can curate them together, giving the credit back to the original publisher, and then leverage them for your own charity or whatever you're trying to promote. So you can add a title here. Again, let's try and see if we can promote cats, our cat charity. And I want to start with 3 clips, and I click on next. So what it'll do is go out there on the internet, find copyright-free videos that are getting a lot of engagement and likes, and then put them up here. So what you can do here, you can crop these video, how long you want this specific video clip, right? And what part of this long video you want in this video that you are creating, right? So this is a really long video. You don't want the whole video in your video. You want to cut a part of this video and turn that into a clip that you add in your curated video, right? You can do that for all these videos over here. You can add text, support our cause at cause.com. You can change the position. Again, you can change the font, color, you can change the font type. You can add a background image right over here. It looks really nice, And if you want, you can add a blur effect, but not for these kind of videos. You can upload, add your own intro, outro. Again, you can turn any of these slides into an intro, outro slide, but adding your own logo intro or a background image with your own logo or anything. And then the next steps are pretty much similar. You add the logo, your watermark, you add your background music, you add your text-to-speech for each slide, or you add a background music again, or you can pick from our library if you don't want to upload your own, and then you just render it as a video or a GIF, right? So you create 3 different powerful kind of videos that you can publish on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, create clips and publish them on Snapchat, and start engaging people, start getting people to share your videos, engage with your videos, go to your promoted links that you are recommending them to go on, and start generating traffic. You are creating entertaining videos that people love to watch and share, right? And once you've created, you can see all those videos that are created by the type of videos and the quality as well, and if you need any action required or if they are rendered, you can sort them out. You can also share them using our mobile application on pretty much any social media platform as you like. So this is how Viralreel works. This is how you can create stunning, entertaining videos that people love to watch, people love to engage, and people love to share. And if you're entertaining people, you can get your message across, you can sell them, you can pitch them, you can ask them to take action. And that's how you create viral video. And that's how Viralreel helps you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us by clicking on this tiny icon inside the dashboard right over here. You can search for whatever you need, or you can just contact our support desk using this link. Cheers.